Hello. Yeah. Hi, good afternoon, ma'am. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm also doing great. Thanks for asking too. So, how was your day so far?
My day was good so far. And yes, now I'm happy.
Hmm.
Uh, Still, I am connecting with you because I'm waiting for someone for a long time. If there is one, I
Okay.
will connect with someone. So now I have connected to you. And it's
Okay. It's
happiness.
my privilege to have a session with you because I think we have messaged love for so long. We have been messaged for so long, but our time didn't match that time. So that's why it is the high time to talk with you. Yeah, that's great.
Absolutely. And after, I think now the time is, I think, around 12:15. Okay, so after
Yeah.
12:30, I will not have the time to do any session. Hmm.
12:30.
Yeah,
Okay.
12:30. And
So
because
after 12:30, you most of the time take the session.
yeah, sorry.
After third, after 12:30, you most of the time take the session
No. Before 12:30,
before 12:30. Okay.
I am free around 10:30 to 12:30.
Okay. Okay. So then after you will be busy most of the time.
Yes.
You busy.
I do my some rest of the household chores, and then I move to the pick up my children from their school. So that's why I don't have time there after 12:30.
Yeah. So before, like in the morning time, you most of the time free because everyone goes their work. Like children, they go their like school and husband to their his office. Yeah, at that time in the morning time.
Hmm.
Most of the time free. Yeah, that's great. So I think
Free after my breakfast. I'm totally free.
oh, that's great. So next time I will think about that. Okay, in the morning time, whenever we have conversation, so it should be on morning time. Otherwise, you most of the time busy after 12:30. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
So I think it is our first meeting, right? So I think we should introduce ourselves with
Yeah,
each other so that we come to know about each other. Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
So you,
Shall I first?
okay. Yeah, you can
Okay.
introduce
I am
yourself.
from Noida Extension. I have done my BA and MA degree, and I have qualified for UPTET and UPTET and CTET certifications. I am working
Okay.
as a moreover I am mother of two children, and I am very passionate about the English language. So for the practice, I have created my own YouTube channel where I upload my conversational videos. And if I talk about
Mhm.
my purpose, I love teaching, dancing, traveling, and connecting with people in English. That's all about me.
Oh, that's great. Great. Yeah, wonderful introduction from your side. That's great. Because nowadays I'm working on my communication skills. So for improving yourself, you should have that much knowledge, the like how to reply the questions in English. Right. So that kind of knowledge I most of the time get from those videos. So yeah, I'm
Hmm.
working on that. And I am also running a YouTube channel named Communication Hub. On that, I most of the time upload some kind of conversational videos and some shorts sometime. So yeah, that's all about myself too. Yeah, thank you for asking.
Do you have any topic?
Exactly, yeah. No, I don't have any topic right now. If you have, so you can start. You can let me know on which topic do you want to discuss. So
We will do
then
conversations this time. Next time, I will.
yeah, this is our first meeting, so this is okay with the casual conversation. Yeah, most of the time we go if we have a first conversation. So I think it is better to delve into any topic. So it is better to speak or talk with the people only just general conversation, so that we come to know about each other's which kind of the person
We,
they have.
firstly, we
Mm.
should be familiar with each other. So
Familiar, yeah, and with comfortable also. Then after, yeah, we will go with any kind of topic. So, okay, let me know how old your children are.
Hmm. I have two children. The elder one is my daughter, and she is 14 years old now. She is going to in 15 years, so she
Mhm.
is doing 10th class, and my son is younger, and he is 9 year old, and he is in third standard.
Okay, so you are living in Noida, right?
Adaptation.
Noida extension. Okay, it's not so much near to me, but it's in Delhi, like Delhi NCR, right?
South Delhi, yeah, or where do
West
you live? West Delhi. Okay.
West Delhi, Paschim Vihar. I think you must have heard about the Paschim Vihar Piragadi metro station.
Yes, yes.
It is
Actually, I
nearby me, yeah.
Delhi earlier.
Where?
South Delhi.
South Delhi. Okay, yeah. South Delhi is also a little bit far from my home.
Okay,
It
okay.
takes like 1.5 hour. If we go by the metro, so it will take only for 50 to like yeah 50 to 1 hour. Yeah, 50 minutes to 60
Yes,
minutes. Yeah.
so far.
So far, it's yeah.
Mm.
That's why, most of the time if we go out like they are like in Sarojini Nagar market, so it is also will take time, lots of time. It
Mm.
takes yeah, like 1 hour.
Okay, so you are talking about the Sarojini Nagar. You mentioned the Sarojini Nagar, so we can
Sarojini Nagar market, yeah.
market. So have you ever gone there to purchasing anything?
Ah, yes, I have married because my daughter is in like she when she studies in college, so that time she prefers to go there because it is a good market for the youngsters because they
Hmm.
can get the like not expensive thing but it's moderate like we can they can purchase over there jeans and tops and these kind of things in a reasonable prices.
Price, yes, absolutely.
Mhm.
And I have I have gone there for the very first time. I think I'm talking about like 5 years old. I think 5 and 6 year olds where I went there and I purchased a lot of things from there. And yes, that was very reasonable price. And
Ah,
the thing also very charm and attractive things. So I feel like
yes,
that.
right.
Yes, I felt like that. Yes, I will purchase everything.
Yeah, it is good because we can afford that price, right? It is neither so much expensive or nor so much, cheap over there. So we
Yes.
can get the reasonable price things. So we can easily afford that, right? There is
Hmm.
no need to think about that. But we have to think to go there because it takes lots of time to go there. And after coming that, like we can say like 2 hours. 1 hour is like going to go there,
Yes.
and after coming there only it take one hour. So yeah,
It's 1 hour, but after coming back, you feel like the so much tired in you into like
tired. Yeah.
I used to I used to live in South Delhi, and only one time I went there, and after that I didn't get chance to go there to marketing. But because I took 3 and 4 hours for shopping, but and when I
Hmm.
came back at home, so I feel more tired, and I feel like that no, I don't have any energy to do anything.
Energetic, yeah. Most of the time it happens, when we explore whole market or anywhere. So after coming home, just we want to sleep, we want to take rest. No, there is like we don't have that much of energy to do any other kind of things, right? So first of all, after coming there, we have to take rest for 1 hour for 1 hour or 2 hours. Then we will go with the other work. So
Mm,
yeah, because we have to grab some energy too after taking something after having something.
absolutely.
Yeah, so it's
After also we feel like that someone should have here to cook anything when
yeah,
any
right,
yes,
right.
despite
Yeah, that time we feel okay. Like now we should have any kind of person or maid or any house help so that they can give us everything on our bed.
yes, yes,
We
yes,
don't have that much on energy to take something from the kitchen and make something for us.
yes. That's why
Yeah.
whenever I go for shopping anything, so before going I just try to complete all work, um, especially food, lunch or dinner, and
Hmm.
then I go. And
Before going somewhere, yeah, that is okay. That's right. Yeah, I also, whenever I have to go somewhere, like for 2 to 3 hours, so I prepared all the things before going there. Right. So
yes,
because we know ourselves, like after coming there, there is no any energy has left inside us.
yes,
Right. So that's why it is better to cook everything to complete your work. Everything you should complete before going anywhere.
yes,
So
yes.
yeah, it happens.
Yeah, and I do the same thing every Saturday and Sunday, because at Saturday and
Hmm.
on Saturday and Sunday, there is my husband is always at home. So on that
Hmm.
day, we always go to the market to purchase anything. So whenever we go in the evening time, so before going, I just complete my all work. When I come,
Hmm.
so I feel like that there is no work to do, and yes, all everything is ready. So I just only say
Yeah.
my serve the food, and I am hungry.
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, that that is okay. Yeah, it happens most of the time. You know, all house all homemaker they are facing this kind of problem, and they do like that, right?
Yes,
Because being a homemaker, I can understand your feeling. I can easily. We all are, settled with lots of responsibilities, so we have
absolutely.
to, manage everything. Yeah,
And it is
exactly.
also the benefit for that if the children are there at home, and so if the cook is prepared, so they also can have. When we are
Yeah,
not
they
at
also can have.
can have,
Yeah, right. Yeah.
we also feel like that yes, our children are having the food, and we don't have any frustration
Hmm.
or the burden. Like now, I when I come back home, when I reach the home, so I have to cook the food immediately. So it is the thing that.
Hmm. It is a thing then, and there is no any, there is no any tension over there. Like when we cooked something like everything, and the children are ready, they can also take the food themselves, right? They can easily have that because most of the time, whenever I go outside, so that time, I prefer to cook only the plow, like mutton plow, and these kind of things, so that there is no need to make any kind of chapatis or like a stale or old chapatis. They always take, if we go with the chapatis, so they always take the hot piping chapati.
Mm,
So
yes.
that's why it is not good to like make the chapati earlier, but whenever I go outside, so I cook that kind of food, like they can easily take that food in a plate like plow or dal chawal, pulses and rice, yeah, this type of thing. So
Mm-hmm.
it is good because they don't know like how to make the chapati. So and they also not ready to eat the like cold chapati or old chapati. So
Okay,
they
okay,
always have that hot piping like garma garam chapati.
okay. So your daughter in is your daughter is in
Yeah.
college.
Yeah, they have completed their education. They have grown up. Both are grown up. Now I have time to learn this language.
Okay.
That's why.
Daughter doesn't know how to bake the chapati.
Yeah, because she knows whenever she has to live in a PG that time, not PG in apartment. So that time she used to make that chapati, but not at home.
Because
She
they
said
don't.
no, 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 I don't want it. Yeah, they don't like she doesn't like to make the chapatis. She said okay, whenever I get chance or I have to face this kind of like, situation, so I will make. I know that how to make that. So okay,
Hmm.
that's okay. If you know that's okay.
Hmm.
Otherwise, yeah, if I am any kind of I am feeling any kind of situation like any kind of disease or I am not feeling well, so that time she prepares everything.
Hmm.
Mm.
Daughter is same like that. Every daughter.
Mm.
Because
Yeah, we should
mom,
all have the daughter. Yeah,
yes.
because there is daughter only the daughter is the person who can take care of
Hmm.
like us. Otherwise, if we talk about the boys, so they just indulge in their work most of the time.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Some boys is like that, and some boys like that. They just try to help to his mother.
Hmm. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Some nowadays, there are lot like the boys. They are also learning all the household chores because the parents is like all the parents are very aware about that. That both the children they know how to cook food, how to manage because they have. We don't say na that we can't say okay when they have to go outside for
Yes,
living like separately, right? Like for education purpose or any job purpose. So and we can't go every time outside food. So
yes,
I think we all should know, and we also teach our children like how to cook food, so then
yes,
they can in future they can manage.
yes. They can manage, and
Mm.
if you need to how to do any things like household chores, like they also know how to how to sweep. And yes,
Sweep, yeah, mopping, sweeping, all the things. Yeah, they also do the how do that laundry, and they also know. Yeah, every
but
like we now we can't say okay only the girl should learn all the things. No, boys also they should also learn all the things
all
like
the
girls. But
things.
earlier it happened like only the girls were bound to do all the things, but not now.
Yes.
Yeah,
And
now
I
the
feel
people is all.
don't
Hmm.
need to learn the everything, all the household chores and all, and also like the only this is the responsibility of only the daughter. No,
Girls. Hmm.
she
Yeah,
just
no, yeah.
let it go. She will do when the burden is will be on her shoulder, so she will do.
Yeah, she will do. Yeah, we have to you have to teach like that them, right?
Yes.
So that whenever the any situation comes, so they can manage themselves in any situation,
Hmm.
right? So we yeah. So because now my son, my son is better than my daughter in cooking,
Oh,
you know. Yeah, whenever he makes anything, so it will most of the time it's very delicious. But
okay.
he most of the time go with the Chinese food or Italian food, this kind of thing, while watching the YouTube channel. So
Hmm.
he most of the time, yeah, cooks something.
He has
So it
most.
is very delicious, yeah.
Yes. He loves most. That's why he is learning.
Yeah, right, right. And
Hmm.
that things that things are oil free. So he always goes with that.
Hmm.
Because
But
only just a little bit butter in that, otherwise if we make any kind of fish, so that is rich of oil, there are lots of oil we put in the veggies most of the time, so he is avoiding these days to
hmm.
have the oily food because he is little bit fatty, we can say. So that's why
And food is also
he
good, not good for the health. Noodles and
exactly, yeah,
not good for health. So,
yeah.
do you have any questions for me now? The time is I
Hmm.
think 20.
Yeah, no, no. Now I don't have any question. I think that is enough.
Mhm.
It was very nice conversation, wonderful conversation with you. So
Yes.
yeah, thank you so
Well,
much for connecting me. Yeah.
yes.
Later we will connect and we will discuss any kind of topic. Okay. So are you
Okay.
getting the recording these days?
I don't know. I will see. I will see after the
Hmm.
conversation. I
Okay,
will
okay,
see.
yeah.
Are you also using the team?
Yes, yes. I downloaded that, but sometime I connected with the people over there. Whenever they called me, whenever they call me, so they said, okay, you are connected through the team application. But I don't, call with anyone through the team application. I don't know. Automatically, I connected with that through
Okay.
the team application. I don't know.
So,
So okay, later we will check. Huh?
are you getting the recorded video after the class daily?
Sometime, yeah, it sometime happens, sometime not. Sometime I get the recording and sometime I don't get the recording. This is happening with me these days. Yeah.
The same thing is going with.
Let's see.
Okay.
Hmm.
Let's
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a nice day.
same to you.